Good evening, guys. My name is Anup, and I'm here to talk with you about birds. I know that you all are very familiar with the birds. मुझे पता है कि आप लोग birds से बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से परिचित हैं. You all are very familiar to the birds which you see in your surrounding. So, in today's class, I'm going to discuss about all those birds that you know and what kind of sound do they make. We will discuss about all those things in this class. तो आज हम आज की क्लास में उन बर्ड्स के बारे में एक्सप्लोर करेंगे और ज़्यादा, और साथ ही साथ हम आपसे ही जानेंगे कि वो बर्ड्स कैसे साउंड निकालते हैं, और कुछ अलग तरीके की और एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जो कि हम लोग आगे जाकर करेंगे. ओके, सो चलिए आज की क्लास में हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. ठीक है. सो गाइस, कैन यू सी दिस चार्ट? Yes? Can you see this chart? What are the things you see in this chart? आप लोग ये चार्ट देख रहे हैं. इस चार्ट्स में आपको क्या दिख रही हैं? Definitely you all are seeing many birds in this chart. Yes? And if you see it very closely, you would find many familiar birds. Many birds that you see in your surrounding. जब आप लोग इसे ध्यान से देखते हैं तो आपको बहुत सारे बर्ड्स ऐसे दिखते हैं जो आपके आसपास आपने देखे हैं. एंड यू आर वेरी फैमिलियर विद देयर नेम्स एंड देयर साउंड्स. अच्छा, तो आप लोग इन बर्ड्स को देखिए और पहचानने की कोशिश करिए कि ये कौन कौन सी बर्ड्स हैं. ओके, और साथ ही साथ यू हैव टू टेल मी द साउंड्स ऑफ दोज बर्ड्स. ठीक है, आप लोगों को वो बर्ड्स के साउंड्स भी रिकॉल करने हैं, याद करने हैं कि उन बर्ड्स के नाम क्या हैं और उनके साउंड्स क्या हैं. ओके गाइस, सो मैं आप लोगों को समय दे रहा हूं, आप लोग इसको कर लीजिए. आप लोग चाहें तो वीडियो पॉज करके अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं इस पे. ओके, नाइस गाइस. सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. और हम यहाँ पर लेट्स नो अबाउट सम मोर बर्ड्स. गाइज, आप लोगों ने बहुत सारी बर्ड्स उसमें देखी जो आप लोगों ने पहचानी. आइए हम उन्हीं कुछ बर्ड्स को डिटेल में देखते हैं. मे बी कुछ और भी बर्ड्स हैं जो हम आगे जब हम इस क्लास में बढ़ते हैं तो हम देखेंगे. ओके, सो वी विल सी सम मोर न्यू बर्ड्स. मे बी यू आर फैमिलियर विद देम टू, बट लेट्स सी. ओके ओके, सो गाइज, कैन यू टेल मी द नेम ऑफ दिस बर्ड? This bird is very commonly found in your surrounding. Yes, this is called crow. Yes, crow. This bird's name is crow. And do you know what kind of sound does it make? क्या sound निकालता है ये? Cow, cow. Yes, this is crow, and crow makes sound cow, cow. Crow. Okay, guys? So let's move on to the next slide. Can you identify this bird? What is this? Yeah, this is duck. Duck. This duck is also very commonly found in our surrounding. These birds are found near ponds and lakes because these birds like water. They are great swimmer. इन्हें पानी बहुत पसंद है और ये बहुत ही अच्छे तैराक होते हैं. ओके गाइस, सो कैन यू टेल मी द साउंड ऑफ देम? ये कैसी आवाज निकालते हैं? कैन यू टेल मी? यस, क्वैक क्वैक. दिस इज डक एंड इट मेक्स अ साउंड क्वैक क्वैक. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. नाउ कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई दिस बर्ड? वेरी करेक्ट. या, दिस इज स्पैरो. यस, sparrow. This bird's name is sparrow. This is very domestic kind of bird, you know, because this makes its nest in our houses. Yes, आप लोगों ने ये देखा होगा कि ये जो चिड़िया होती है, it is smaller in size, और ये हमारे घर में ही अपने घोंसले बनाती हैं. It makes nest in our houses. Yes, and this is called sparrow. Can you tell me the sound of this bird, guys? What kind of sound does it make? Yes, very correct. Chee, 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 chee. It makes sound like this. Am I right? Yes, guys. ये ऐसी आवाज निकालता है ना. Very good. Let's move on to the next slide. Yeah. Can you tell me the name of this bird? Yes, this is a hen. This is a hen. This is also a bird which is found in our houses, very commonly in villages and small towns, because many people and many villagers keeps it at home. These birds are used for meat and for eggs. आप लोगों को पता है ना, ये हैंस मीट के लिए मतलब खाने के लिए और अंडे देने के लिए इनको पालते हैं गांव के लोग. यस, सो दिस बर्ड इज कॉल्ड hen. And can you tell me what kind of sound does it make? Yes? Peck, 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 peck. Okay, so this is the sound this bird makes. Okay, now the next bird. This is the most beautiful bird found in nature. Can you tell me the name of this? Very correctly, you got it. Peacock. The name of this beautiful bird is peacock. This bird is found in jungle, but these days the numbers are getting fewer and fewer. Yes, because of their feathers, people hunt them, kills them. But this is our national bird. ये हमारा national bird है, हमारा राष्ट्रीय पक्षी है. Okay, this is the most beautiful bird. Have you seen it, guys? Okay, especially the tail of this bird is so beautiful. You know, Lord Krishna also uses its feather to decorate himself. है ना, भगवान कृष्ण भी अपने आप को सजाने के लिए इसके फेदर्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं ना. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड पिकॉक. क्या आप लोग इसका साउंड जानते हैं? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ साउंड डज इट मेक? मैं भी इसे अच्छे से नहीं बता पाऊंगा, लेकिन like this it makes sound. Okay, next, this is the most loving bird that are found in every houses. Do you know this, guys? Yes, this beautiful bird's name is parrot. Yes, parrot. What is the name of this bird? Parrot. And can you tell me the sound of it? Mittu, mittu, mittu. Or tang, 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 tang. If it's a wild parrot, then it would say tang, 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 tang. And if it is a domestic bird that you have taken as pet, it would call your name too. ये तुम्हारा नाम भी जानता है अगर आपने इसे पाला हुआ है तो. Yes, guys? Okay. So let's move on to the next step. And in this step हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं इस स्टेप में कि मैं एक गाना गाऊंगा. I will sing a poem. And after the poem, I'll ask you a question. Okay? I'll ask you a question by showing the picture of a bird. You just have to find out that what is the name of that bird. मैं एक पोएम गाऊंगा और उसके बाद एक चित्र दिखाऊंगा. आपको बस ये बताना होगा कि उस बर्ड का नाम क्या है. Okay, guys? So let's move. Walking in the jungle, there we see a... Okay, now tell me, what is the name of this bird? Yes, this is parrot. Very good. Walking in the jungle, there we see a... What is the name of this bird? Yes, peacock. Nice, guys. Walking in the jungle, there we see a... What is the name of this bird? Yes, sparrow. Good. Next, walking in the jungle, there we see a... What is the name of this bird? Hen. Okay. Walking in the jungle. Can you tell me the name of this bird? Yes, this is duck. Walking in the jungle. Can you tell me the name of this bird? Yes, crow. Great. So now we have come to the next step, and in this step we are going to revise all the birds name and their sounds. इस स्टेप में हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं, बर्ड्स के नाम एक बार याद करने वाले हैं और साथ ही साथ इंग्लिश नाम याद करने वाले हैं और साथ ही साथ उनके साउंड्स. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. यस, ओके, द फर्स्ट बर्ड इज crow, and the sound it makes is cow, cow, cow. Second bird is duck, and the sound it makes is quack, quack. Third bird is sparrow, sparrow, and it makes sound like chee, chee. Fourth number's bird is hen, and it makes sound like peck, 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 peck. The fifth number bird is peacock, and it makes sound like kah, kah. And the last bird is parrot, and the sound which it makes it tan, 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 tan. Yes. So let's do some more fun. So guys, now we are going to do another activities, and in these activities we are going to have some fun, because this is a kind of assessment activity and you have to test yourself that how many birds name you have grasped right now. Okay, so identify the bird's name and their sound. Okay guys, so can you tell me the name of first number bird? Okay, now can you tell me the bird in the second number? Now you have to fill the name of that bird in that gap. उस gap में आपको उसका नाम लेना है. Okay, now can you tell me the name of third number bird? Now the name of the fourth number bird. Okay, now can you tell me the name of the bird which is in fifth number? And do at the sound. Okay, sound भी आप लोग बताते जाइए. Okay, now can you tell me the name of the sixth number bird? Okay, so one more time you please revise it. Okay, I'm giving the space. You can pause the video also if you want to revise it again. अगर आप लोग फिर से एक बार practice करना चाहते हैं तो pause कर ले वीडियो को. Okay, so let's move. Okay, activity number 2, match the bird's picture with their names. This is very simple because we have now learned the bird's picture and name also. Okay, so we can correlate the name with the bird's picture. Okay, so the first number bird is parrot. Now you have to match the parrot with its name. Okay, so the first number bird's picture will match with the fourth one. Can you see this? Parrot. Then peacock with the fifth. Second will match with the fifth. Third is hen. Hen, third number will match with the first word, hen. Then fourth is a sparrow. Sparrow will match with sixth. The fourth picture will match with sixth. Then fifth is duck. Fifth will match with second, duck. And last is sixth, crow. Then crow will match with the third word, which is crow. आप लोगों ने देखा guys? तो मैं फिर से ये सारे जो मैंने मिलाए हैं मैं मिटा देता हूँ. I will erase all the lines that I have drawn from the birds to their names. Now this is blank space. Now you have to do this activity on your own. Okay, so you can pause the video and do it with your imagination and seeing the picture. Okay guys, so the activity 3, let's move. And in this activity you just have to do nothing but to read all the words that you have right now seen little earlier. Okay, so right now you don't have any picture, you just have to read the words. अभी हमारे पास picture नहीं है, आपको खाली word पढ़ के उन पक्षियों का नाम बताना है, birds का नाम बताना है. Okay, so the first word is crow, second is parrot, third is sparrow, fourth is duck, fifth is hen, and sixth is peacock. Now you read it on your own. और अब आप लोग खुद से ये पढ़ें. You can pause the video, okay? So this is all, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your great participation, okay? Thank you very much that you participated in this class, and please use this video to enhance your learning, to enhance your knowledge about the birds. I know that you already know much more things about the birds, more than me, I hope. But do go through this lesson that I've created for you, and do send your learnings in the group, okay? Okay, guys? और ग्रुप में जो भी आपने सीखा है उसको अपने कॉपी में करके प्लीज शेयर करिए. ओके गाइस, बाय बाय, थैंक यू.